It's NAB 2023. We are in the Central Hall and we're on the Magewell stand. We've been doing a couple of videos here and we've been joined by Mike once again.
How are you doing, Simon?
Very good. Now, Mike, we've covered the capture and convert and now we're on the stream section.
Yep.
What's new?
So this is the NAB debut of what we call the Ultra Encode AIO. Now that is the new flagship model in our Ultra Encode family of live advanced media encoders.
Right.
So it builds on the previous model's features with new things, including having HDMI and SDI in a single unit, the ability to mix those two inputs, picture-in-picture or side-by-side, 4K encoding and streaming, the ability to stream simultaneously in multiple protocols, as well as the ability to record to files.
Wow.
So with Ultra Encode, one of the things that we always focused on was flexibility in formats. So you can encode H.264, H.265,
yep.
NDI flavors I'll talk about in a second, and you can stream in all sorts of different protocols, RTMP, SRT, HLS, TVU's ISSP format. I don't know why every format is an acronym. It's just something we deal with, right?
It's the industry.
It's the industry we're in.
NAB.
Exactly. So you can stream. It has presets for streaming to all the popular platforms, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Twitch, or custom targets. You can stream simultaneously to up to 6 different destinations in different protocols if you want to, at high bit rates, up to 32 megs a second in case you're going to be doing some form of processing on those streams afterwards. In addition to all of that, you can record. It's got a USB port, so you can plug in USB storage to it. It's got an SD card slot, or you can record to network attached storage.
Okay. From
the HDMI input, you can capture, encode, and stream at 4K up to 30 frames a second. Or from the SDI input, it'll do 1080p 60. I mentioned earlier that you can combine the inputs. So it's a single channel device. You can either do one format or the other, or you can do a picture-in-picture or side-by-side that combines them.
Okay.
And you can add overlays like text, graphics, images, that sort of thing, up to 8 of them, even a clock, over the stream on its way out. So control-wise, it has a browser-based interface where you can configure it, monitor it, manage it, start and stop it. You can use the Magewell Cloud software that I talked about when we talked about the Convert, which is a centralized management software that controls all the devices. Or as you can see, it also has a touchscreen LED. And with that, you can either status monitoring, video previews, or basic functionality like starting and stopping the streaming. So we've got it sitting on the desk here, but you can actually put 2 of these side by side in one of your rack space, and we can give you free the hardware to be able to rack mount it.
I can see why it's called your flagship. It does everything.
It does everything, exactly.
So the fact it's the flagship, does it replace the models that went before it, or is it in
Not
addition
at all.
to those?
So we continue to have our other models, the Ultra Encode HDMI and SDI, because a lot of users only need one connectivity standard or don't need some of the advanced features. But we also have this product, which was called UltraStream, which we still offer. And it's designed to be the absolute easiest way to record and stream, especially for non-technical users. So, whether it's teachers, whether it's, corporate presenters, that sort of thing, just simple start and stop with the button. You don't have to have any technical background, but you're instantly a streamer.
Fantastic. So this is brand new for NAB. Is it shipping now?
The Ultra Encode AIO is shipping now.
Fantastic. And for people that want to find out more information on this and all the other products you do, where should they go?
Well, hopefully if you're still at the show, you can come see us, C5031. We'd love to have you. Otherwise, go to our website, magewell.com, Magewell.com.
Right, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you, Simon. Thanks for stopping by.
We've been doing a number of videos here with Mike, so do check out all those on the playlist, and of course check out the Magewell.com website for everything you need to know, or drop by the booth if you're at the show. For everything else that we've been doing at NAB, check out kitplus.com.